Hey everyone, and welcome back to The Crafty Couple. We love hacking high-end room decor, so today's video is all about that. If you want to learn how you can take really simple Dollar Tree items and turn them into beautiful home decor, today's video is perfect. So if you guys do enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which project's your favorite.
For this project, I found these $2 bowls at Walmart. I haven't seen them before, but I thought they would be perfect for a planter, and also only $2 is amazing. So I got that, and then I got these wood slices. They're just like these sticks from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using these wood slices for the base on the planter just to make it stand a little bit taller, and it gives me very like pottery barn type vibes, and I really love it. Plus this is an extremely easy DIY. All I did was hot glue 3 of the sticks on. You can do more if you would like. I thought this gave kind of the look that I was going for. You can put plants, keys, all sorts of things in here. Let me know in the comments below what you would put in.
For this project, we're going to be starting with one of these wood planks from Dollar Tree, and some of these craft sticks as well from Dollar Tree. The first thing that I'm going to do is cut off each end so that those are all flat. Next, I'm going to find the center of the plank so that we can draw a line right down the middle, and we'll use that as a guide when we're laying all of the craft sticks. Next, I'm going to line up my craft sticks with this line, and I'm going to line up the bottom corner and then angle this upwards. Then I'll draw a line straight through there and cut that so these have an angle on those. Next, I'll just use that first one that I cut as a template for all the other ones. Once I have all of my pieces cut, I can move on to gluing those. I'm just going to use some regular hot glue and start gluing those on each side. Now, if you guys love Dollar Tree projects as much as we do, then we have a video that I think you would absolutely love. It has 54 projects in it, and with our projects, we're always trying to make them as nice as possible for the least amount of money. So if you're loving what you see, make sure to go check it out. I think you would like it. Again, it has 54 projects. I'll leave a link for that right here. I started cutting all of the extra pieces off with some scissors, but that didn't really work too well, so I found that a razor blade worked perfectly. Next, we're going to create the frame using these wood stakes that you can grab from Walmart, and these are just under $2 a piece. To find how long I need to cut this, I'm going to use 2 other pieces to line up on the top and the bottom. I'll line up the top corner there, and then all the way at the bottom I will mark that, and then we will cut that and use it as a template for the other side, so those are the exact same size. And I'll just be using our jigsaw to cut all of these little pieces. These smaller pieces are just going to be the same width as the board itself, so I'm just going to line it up, mark it, and then I'll cut those the same. Once all the pieces are cut, I can move on to assembling this. I'm going to start with the two pieces that are the same as the board, glue those on, and then I'll move on to the other side so that I can make sure everything lines up properly. Next, I'm going to paint mine using this silk paint in the color Anchor. It's just a black color. Now, honestly, this is where you could customize it to however you like with paint or stain. I think either way, it could look really pretty. Next, we'll be using one of these candle holders from Dollar Tree, and for this one, we're just going to be using the wireframe that comes with it, and we will be spray painting that gold. It kind of has a gold color to it, but I really like how this spray paint looks on it a lot better. Next, I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue on the back here so that we can attach that to the wood piece. To finish this up, I'm just going to add a command strip on the back, and that way we can hang it on the wall. And that's really it. It's a simple project. It's only going to cost you a few dollars, and I think you could make it however you want with the different paints or stains, and then of course customizing it with your different greeneries or flowers that you want to put in there.
These candle holders I think are one of the coolest things that Dollar Tree has carried recently. For this project I'm going to be using 6 of them. We are going to take all of these off since we are going to spray paint them here in a second. I will be gluing 2 of them together to make it a little bit taller, and we will have 2 sets of those. So we will have 2 that are taller, 2 that are the normal size, and then 2 will just have the cement piece at the bottom. I only used hot glue, and then I put the other piece on and kind of pinched the hot glue together once it was a little bit cooler. When you spray paint over this, they kind of look welded together, which is a really cool look. As you can see, this gold is a little bit more fresh and crisp, which I really like. Now I'm going to be hot gluing the metal part onto the bottom instead of the top like how it was when I bought it. I do it here in a little bit, but it is easier to lay the metal piece down first and then hot glue instead of adding the hot glue and then adding the metal piece. This ended up being a beautiful jewelry holder, and I am obsessed with it. So all I did to put it together was have the 2 cement pieces at the very bottom, 2 that were slightly higher, and then the 3rd that were the highest.
For this project, we're going to be making something that I saw on Pinterest from Anthropologie. I thought it was a really cool kind of tabletop decor piece. Now, the first thing that we're going to do here is use one of these planks from Dollar Tree and then one of these wood rings as well. So I'm going to line this up so that about half of the ring is on the wood and half is off, and then I'm going to trace that. Once I have that marked, I can move on to the outer part here, and essentially what I'm doing is just creating the shape that I want cut out. Now, it took me a few tries to get exactly what I wanted to. I had to erase and draw a couple times, so don't worry about that. But once you have your final lines drawn out, I'm just going to use this jigsaw to cut out those pieces. Once we have that piece cut and sanded, I'm going to stain that along with this 6-inch dowel that is also from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using this early American stain from Midwax. For the ring, we're going to actually paint that gold, so I'm going to be using this Rust-Oleum gold spray paint. Now that those pieces are ready to go, we just need a base, so I'm going to be using one of these wood cubes that you can get from Dollar Tree, and what we want to do is find the center. So I'm just lining up this metal ruler, going to draw a line from corner to corner on both sides, and that's going to give us a little X right in the center where we can drill our hole. Now to put everything together, we're going to start with the dowel and the base. So I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue in there and then press the dowel in there until it is secure. Next, we'll go ahead and glue the ring to our wood. And finally, we'll add some hot glue on the dowel, and then we'll go ahead and line up our wood plank and ring and glue that on to finish it up. This was a really fun project for me. I think that it looks really good and comparable to the Anthropologie. Let me know in the comments what you think, and for only a couple dollars, I think it turned out pretty awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to check out our playlist of mega videos. They have a ton of videos going on there that you would absolutely love. And as always, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.